welcome back to the Unboxers, and today we have something super exciting for you. It's got us on a roll, and it is the Terrasect. It rolls, it flips, it attacks. It looks like so much fun.
Yeah, it really does.
So it says it flips and keeps going. We want to say a great big thank you to
Alpha Group
for sending this to us for free to share with you today and to see all that this thing can do. So let's take a look at the back of the packaging. Whoa. So basically it like curls up in a ball and then it also straightens out.
Yeah, so it runs like this, but then also when you curl it up, it doesn't stop or anything. It just rolls up and keeps on going.
Keeps on going like a roly-poly.
Yeah.
Just like a giant remote control roly-poly. Very cool. It says relentless rolling attack. Oh, I thought it said action. Attack. So, and it has easy controls right here. And looks like we're going to need some, do we need some batteries?
Batteries, yeah.
Alright, and we'll come back and tell you what size battery you will need for this. But it's time to get the Terrasect out of the packaging.
Unleash the Terrasect.
And then we're going to do some off-roading.
Yes.
Alright, and there's the Terrasect out of its box. So here's the remote. It is a very simple remote. It's got the two joysticks. They're like textured. You can see that's kind of cool for some grip.
Yeah.
And then you have these two spots to hang on to as well. So you have your up, down, I'm guessing,
Yeah,
and side to side.
Forward and backwards, left and right, and then the transform.
Okay, there you go. And then this is the on-off button. When you turn it on, it's going to flash until it pairs with the actual Terrasect itself. There's two different battery compartments, one here and then one up front. So make sure that you have
4 AA in here and then 3 AAA in the remote.
In the remote. Okay, great. And then there's the on-off switch, which we have it on, and you can see its eyes glowing. So go ahead and turn the remote on.
So that was pretty quick to pair.
Quick
and then
pair.
Let's.
Whoa!
He's transformed.
Transformed.
Maybe push it again.
Whoa! Very cool. All right, it's time to take it out on the road.
Yes.
Alright, so there was the Terrasect in action. We want to say another great big thank you to
Alpha Group
for sending this to us for free to share with you today. It sure has been fun driving this thing all over the place.
Yeah, we drew some attention while we were out there.
For sure.
Like all the little heads popping over. What is that?
They'll be wanting one for sure. So thank you so much for watching. As always, come back and see us, like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.